Hello friends, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell on that you get every video notified. Vande Mataram. I am Amupush Nesari and today in this video we're going to be studying about dividing tissues. So in earlier episodes we all have studied about tissues and also about cells. Now in this video we will be studying about plant and its tissues. So we all know that plant has two types of tissues. The first one is dividing and the other one is non-dividing. So now in this video we will be studying about dividing tissues. What are dividing tissues? Now dividing tissues have the scientific name that is meristematic tissues. Why the name of dividing tissues is meristematic? Because meristos is a Greek word which means divided. So meristematic tissues are also known as dividing tissues. So what they do and what are the further types in meristematic tissues, let's learn in this video. So friends, now we will study about dividing tissues, or I can say meristematic tissues. Now let me take a plant here. Now we all know that plant has some growing parts, but in the earlier class we all have studied about plant doesn't have all the parts growing. So where do you think the meristematic tissues are found? Now at the growing parts of the plant. So where do you find the growing parts of the plant? So obviously the roots, the stem at its girth, and the leaves and twigs. Now meristematic tissues are divided into further three parts. The first one is apical meristem, the second one is the lateral meristem, and the third one is the intercalary meristem. Now don't be let down by this. Now let me make you understand. The apical meristem are present at the growing tips of the roots and also the leaves. Now these growing tips will divide themselves and break down and grow the tips of the leaves and also the roots. It enhances the growth of the plant's root and also leaves. Now what is lateral meristem? Lateral meristem will help to enhance or to grow the width, that is the girth of the plant. It is also known as the cambium. Okay, now we have understood about the apical and lateral. Now let us understand the intercalary meristem. So this intercalary meristem are present in the twigs downside the leaves, which helps to grow the twigs later than to branches. Okay, so these help twigs to grow into big branches. So these were the three parts of meristematic tissues. Now the interesting fact about this is that meristematic tissues, all these three parts of the meristematic tissues do the same work until the plant is mature. After maturity, the division of labor takes place according to the apical, lateral and intercalary meristem. So now when these dividing tissues go on divide and it reaches a situation where these dividing tissues stop dividing. So at that time it is known as non-dividing tissues. I mean is permanent tissues. So you all have to understand about permanent tissues. So we have a video here. You can just go visit there and look for permanent tissues. Hello friends, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell on that you get every video notified.